Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for Mill Hill County High School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. Mill Hill County High School was founded in 1807, and it is a mixed, partially selective school in Barnet, North London. The school is known for the outstanding quality of its music department. Its exam results consistently puts it in the top 5% of state schools. The school has a total of 1,661 students, with 243 places available for Year 7 entry. However, as the school is only partially selective, only 24 spaces are available each year for technological aptitude based on the 11 Plus exams. On average, there are approximately 8 or more applicants per place. The exam style used for Mill Hill County High School is GL assessment. The specific areas tested are verbal reasoning and non-verbal reasoning. There are 2 one-hour exams. No minimum score or mark is required. Places are offered strictly in descending order of each applicant's combined score, highest first. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy, and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning into our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify, and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your 11 Plus application.